we are going to learn about OO sound. So, this OO sound makes short sound and long sound. First, we are going to learn about short OO sound. Let us see some examples. First, F O O T, foot. Here, this OO sound is short, so foot. Next, W O O D, wood. Wood. Here also, this OO sound is short, so wood. Next is T O O T H, tooth. Tooth. Here also, this OO sound is short. Tooth. Okay. Next is B O O K, book. Book. Here also, this OO sound is short. So, book. Next is H O O K, hook. Hook. Here, this OO sound is short. So, hook. Next is C O O K, cook. Cook. Here also, this OO sound is short. So, cook. Next is R O O F, roof. Roof. Here also, this OO sound is short. So, roof. Now, we will repeat. Foot. Foot. Wood. Wood. Tooth. Tooth. Book. Book. Hook. Hook. Cook. Cook. Roof. Roof. Okay. These all are short sound. Now, we are going to learn about long OO sound. Okay. It is also long U sound. So, let us see some examples of long OO sound. First, W O O L, wool. Wool. Here, this OO sound is long sound. So, wool. Next is B R O O M, broom. Broom. Here, this OO sound is long sound. So, broom. Next is G O O S E, goose. Goose. Here, this OO sound is long sound. So, goose. Next is SCHOOL, school. Here also this O sound is long sound. So school. School. Next is T-O-O-L. Tool. Tool. Here this O sound is long sound. So tool. Next is S-T-O-O-L. Stool. Here also this O sound is long sound. So stool. Next is S-P-O-O-N. Spoon. Spoon. Here also this O sound is long sound. So spoon. Now next is R-O-O-T. Root. Root. Here also this O sound is long sound. So root. R-O-O-T. Root. Now next is B-O-O-T. Boot. Boot. Here also this O sound is long sound. So boot. Boot. Okay. Now we will repeat long sound. Wool. Wool. Broom. Broom. Goose. Goose. School. School. Tool. Tool. Spoon. Spoon. Root. Root. Boot. Boot. Okay. Here we have to remember this short O sound and long O sound. Okay.